guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Payday 2 gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, you have to go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers, and after that try to launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, on the library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve the problem. But if it doesn't work, move to the next method. Next, to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad is working. If it doesn't work, some other tips suggested: clear cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it, and after that log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to use big picture mode. So when you go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. After entering big picture mode, you have to try to play the game. Click on the play button and then try to play the game. After that, exit big picture mode and then try to launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.